Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that your brand new MacBook Pro M5 could lose up to 30% of its resale value from just a few scratches or corner dings? Yeah, it's that sensitive. So today we're diving into the top MacBook Pro M5 sleeves and cases you can buy right now on Amazon, each one built to protect your investment in its own unique way. Whether you're after rugged protection, slim elegance, or all-around practicality, I've got you covered. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's get started. And number 7, BlueSwan Anti-Cracking Hardshell Case. This case is like armor for your MacBook Pro 14-inch, covering M1 through M5 models with an impressive mix of style and strength. What sets it apart is its hybrid build, a solid polycarbonate shell paired with a soft TPU bumper around the edges. That combo means no more cracked corners or dented edges, which is a common issue with cheap cases. The frosted black finish isn't just sleek, it's anti-fingerprint, keeping your laptop looking professional even after hours of use. In everyday scenarios, the BlueSwan strikes a solid balance between protection and portability. It's great for students, travelers, or anyone constantly on the move. Compared to something like the CrackGuard, it feels slightly lighter and a bit more grippy, though CrackGuard edges it out in heat dissipation and material refinement. Still, the BlueSwan's ventilated base helps prevent overheating, and it's priced more competitively than premium names like Encase. If you want rugged, affordable protection without losing that MacBook charm, BlueSwan is a great pick. What do you think? Do you prefer the clean, frosted look or something flashier? Let me know in the comments. On number 6, CrackGuard for MacBook Pro 14-inch. If the BlueSwan was good, the CrackGuard takes things a step further with its anti-crack upgrade. It's a hybrid too. Rigid PC shell backed by high-resilience TPU bumpers that double the density of protection at impact zones. What's impressive is its color precision. The Noble Black Clear version is designed to match the official MacBook finish perfectly, giving it that OEM feel. The triple-layer coating keeps fingerprints away, while the 9H hardened finish resists scratches even after heavy use. Now, when you compare it to BlueSwan, CrackGuard feels a bit more premium, with smoother edges and a tighter fit thanks to its micro clips. It's also got more ventilation points, making it a top choice for those who run demanding tasks that heat up the MacBook. However, all that comes with added bulk and a slightly higher price tag. Still, if you want top-tier build quality and next-gen protection that'll outlast cheap snap-on shells, the CrackGuard easily earns its spot in your cart. So which would you pick? BlueSwan's affordability or CrackGuard's flawless finish? Drop your thoughts below. On number 5, BlueSwan matte case for MacBook Pro 14. Now, if you're the type who hates bulky gear and just wants a clean, minimalist shield, this one's for you. The BlueSwan matte case trades heavy-duty armor for a barely there, ultra-thin profile, just 0.99 thick. It's made from soft PP material, so unlike brittle hard shells, it won't crack easily. The frosted translucent texture lets your MacBook's glow shine through while resisting fingerprints and smudges. It's ideal for professionals or students who keep their laptops in backpacks or padded sleeves, but still want to guard against scuffs and dirt. In comparison to CrackGuard, this case is far lighter and slimmer, though it sacrifices drop protection for aesthetics and portability. Its snug fit and smooth finish make it feel premium without the premium price, which is rare. If you value simplicity and want something that looks great on your desk without adding bulk, this one nails it. Think of it as your MacBook's everyday outfit, subtle, stylish, and functional. Would you go slim and sleek, or do you prefer something tougher like MOSISO's heavy-duty option? On number 4, MOSISO Anti-Cracking Heavy-Duty Case. Here's where protection meets practicality. The MOSISO TPU bumper case doesn't just shield your MacBook, it fortifies it. With a hybrid hard shell plus a thick, shock-absorbing TPU frame, this case is ready to take on real-world abuse. Perfect for clumsy hands or rough travel days. What makes it stand out is the bonus kit. You get a matching keyboard skin and a screen film right in the box. That's full 360 DG coverage out of the gate. The ventilation design is smart too, with dual air channels at the base to help your MacBook breathe better under load. Its baby blue color adds a nice pop without looking childish, something the more subdued BlueSwan lacks. When compared head-to-head, the MOSISO wins for durability and all-in-one value, while BlueSwan remains the go-to for minimalists. It does add some heft, but if you're serious about protection, this is the trade-off you want. So tell me, would you go bold with color or stick with stealthy black? On number 3, tomtoc 360. Protective Laptop Sleeve. Now here's something totally different, a sleeve rather than a case, and it's a game changer. The tomtoc 360 sleeve is made for people constantly on the go. It packs corner armor technology, basically airbags for your MacBook's corners. The padding throughout feels dense and premium, with water-resistant recycled fabric and sturdy YKK zippers that scream quality. Inside, it's soft yet structured, giving you confidence when tossing it in a backpack. There's also a front pocket big enough for your charger, cables, and even an iPad mini. Compared to the MOSISO hard case, tomtoc sacrifices in-use protection but wins big on portability and drop safety during transport. No heat trapping, no hinge interference, just smart, clean protection. It's slightly bulkier than a thin shell, but its military-grade cushioning makes it perfect for commuters and frequent flyers. So if your laptop spends more time traveling than sitting on a desk, the tomtoc is easily the smartest buy on this list. On number 2, MOSISO Polyester Vertical Sleeve. If you're on a tighter budget, this one delivers solid everyday protection at a fraction of the cost. The MOSISO vertical sleeve is all about convenience and simplicity. Its top-to-bottom zipper makes it easy to slide in and out of backpacks, while the soft fleece interior cushions against scratches and light bumps. The water-resistant polyester exterior handles minor spills and dust with ease. Now, compared to the tomtoc, it's definitely less protective. No corner padding or thick foam, but it's lighter, slimmer, and much cheaper. It's perfect for casual users who just need to keep their laptop clean and safe during daily commutes. The front pocket holds your essentials, and it fits multiple laptop sizes, giving it that extra bit of versatility. Think of it as the practical, everyday option for those who don't need military-grade armor. Affordable, lightweight, and clean-looking. It's simplicity done right. On number 1, Lacdo 360 DG Protective Laptop Sleeve. Topping the list is the Lacdo 360 sleeve, an absolute all-rounder that nails protection, storage, and style. It's got a shockproof interior lining with reinforced edges, ensuring your MacBook stays cushioned from every side. The water-resistant canvas exterior feels tough, and unlike most sleeves, this one packs tons of storage. 2 front pockets and a back compartment for chargers, cables, and more. You even get a hidden handle that lets you carry it like a briefcase or tuck it away for a sleeker look. Compared to the MOSISO vertical sleeve, Lacdo is thicker but undeniably more functional and protective. For professionals and frequent travelers, it's a perfect mix of security and convenience. Sure, it's bulkier, but when your $2,000 0-cents MacBook is inside, that's a trade worth making. It's not just a sleeve, it's your laptop's travel armor. So that wraps up our list of the best MacBook Pro M5 sleeves and cases of 2025. Which one would you trust to protect your MacBook? BlueSwan's minimalist armor, tomtoc's cushioned travel sleeve, or Lacdo's all-in-one powerhouse? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more top tech gear reviews. And remember, all the links are in the description below.